There was this guy, this rich billionaire, CEO of an investment fund, and he was known for being able to make the hardest, toughest decisions, and he would make them with so easily, with such confidence. And people were wondering, who is this guy? How is he making these decisions? And what he would do is he would lock himself in a room, sit there for a couple minutes, and then every single time he came out the room, the decision was made. And he was sure, like, we're going to do this, this, and that, super confident. So people were wondering, how is he doing this? So one day they decided to spy on him, and so they cracked open the door while he was in there. And what he was doing is he was flipping a coin. So disrespectful. So disrespectful. They were angry. They said, how dare you? How dare you flip a coin on such an important decision? This is our life. It's whether we're going to get an investment for our business and be successful. Like, how dare you? And he said, relax. Guys, I've already made the decision before I even flip the coin. When the coin is in the air, what I do is I think deep inside. When you think deep inside and you feel your gut, you're going to realize that you're swayed one way, whether you really want the outcome of that coin or you really don't want the outcome of that coin. And your gut is going to tell you that. So he makes the logical decision and he flips the coin and sees what his gut tells him.